Hey guys, it's me Yoshma. It's me Pranav from Yoshma. It's me, so you gotta watch. It's been kind of long since I've uploaded a video, so I'm just back. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So yeah, that's it. So just to for example, now we'll write an alg for the scramble. So first let me walk you through the movements of a cube. So that is R L. R is for right hand, L is for left hand, up is for up hand, D is for down, and D is for no B is for back, and F is for the front. Basically the first letter of each movement. So we also have something called a prime, which is an apostrophe like this. So you see we have a Rubik's cube here. Each sides have clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. So an R will have a clockwise and L will have an anti-clockwise movement. So if we have an R, it will go up, but for L, if we have an L only, it will go down. So it's pretty much the opposite. Same for U and U and B and F and D. It's pretty much the opposite movements. Okay, so now there's something called primes. That's doing the opposite movement of what we should in each side. The opposite movement. Like if this is R, then this is R prime. Okay, so its notation is basically an R with the apostrophe next to it. So it'll be done as like this. Okay, so I'll show you guys. So it's down like this. This is an R prime. Okay, so that's an R prime. So like that, this is L prime, U prime, D prime, B prime, F prime, and there's many other movements like that. So now you guys can mess around and practice doing these movements and see if you could like shuffle with it and stuff and play around with it, mess around, and then you guys will get the hold of it. So now I'm going to write a scramble, like a alg used for shuffling the cube, and I'm gonna write a random alg. Okay, so I'll write R prime, L prime, U, F prime, I'll do U prime, L, R prime. Okay, so now we have a short shuffle. Wait, let me. Okay, now we have made a short shuffle of R prime. I've written here. Whoever wants the shuffle, I'll put it right here. The scramble or here. Put the scramble here. Guys, this is the scramble. So it is R prime, L prime, U, F prime, U prime, L, R prime, D, U, D prime, U prime. I've written here. So guys, just try. I told you the movements, right? Just copy and try to scramble, and always start with white facing down and green facing you. Okay, so that way it's easier. Okay, so we can get on the same movement. So everyone try to do the scramble. R down like this, R prime, L prime, it's up. Okay, now U, okay, F, U prime, L, R prime, D, U, D prime, U prime. Okay, so guys, we'll further add it, as it will not be as scrambled because we are a little hard, so we can get it better, we can work on it. So now we'll add more as B, D prime, U, L prime, U prime. Okay, so now we have further shuffle. I'll put the whole alg. I added 4 movements. B, D prime, U, L prime, U prime. Okay guys, so I've added these movements for continuing the shuffle. So now we have B, D prime, U, L prime, U prime. Okay, now we have successfully shuffled the whole cube. Now all we have to do is start solving the cube. So we'll get on with the first step. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the first step. So first we're gonna make the cross. Okay, so first we have to make a white cross. That's how beginners start with. They start with the white cross. So just before we start, I just want to let you know that these middle pieces, they can't move. Okay, these can't be exchanged, but these pieces can be exchanged. First let me walk you through all the pieces. This is an edge, this piece. Okay, this is an edge and this is a corner, and this is called the middle. So I mean, that's all you need to know, because we are going to learn how to do this. Okay, so first we have to make a cross, like, which is like matching this. Okay, so first we have to find all the white edges. Okay, so we have one here and one we have here. Okay, so first all we have to do is we have to find, let's choose the green and white piece. Okay, you can see that the green can be like kept here for a cross, and we have to join this green piece to the middle center. Okay, so when we join, we can enter it as soon as we get it. Okay, so you can see the green center is here. Okay, and the green piece is here. Okay, so just a simple movement is face white up and orange to us. Do U prime, F prime. Okay, and then you get like this. Okay, so it was here. Okay, you can see this, and it has to come here, so let's push it down. Okay, and now you see we have made this with the white here, and you can see the white is up here, so just push it, and now we got the first line of a cross like this. Okay, it has to be connected. Now we can choose another color. For now I'm choosing the orange. Okay, so here's an orange piece, and here's the orange corner, middle. Okay, so we have to match it like this together, so we can enter it like this. Okay, so now you can see it's like this, and the other orange piece is here. So all we have to do is use a small move to match it like this. Okay, now we can just do 2 moves and enter it here. So now we got an L shape. We just need 2 more pieces to make a cross. So now we can choose the red cross. It is again down, okay, facing yellow. So just match it with its middle piece and enter it like this 2 times. Okay, now we got this half cross. Okay, now we have a piece here which has to be entered in here. Okay, let me just let you guys see. This is the white cross. Okay, and this is between like 2 white solid crosses. Okay, this blue piece. So all we have to do is we can move it here, enter it, and bring it back down. Have you guys seen it? So it's like here, and we have to enter here. One way we can enter is match it like this. Okay, now you can see we can easily enter it here. Okay, which is the empty slot. Just enter it and undo the move. Now we have a cross done, which is matched to its middle. Now what we have to do, guys, this is beginner's method. Okay, so I'm going to teach you. So now we have to do the corners of from the cross. Okay, here. So now we have to enter the corner, and I'll teach you now. So now we have a white and green and red piece which has to come between this green and red. Okay, we have to bring it on the top. Okay, so this is already in the top. Okay, this white, green and red piece between this, we have to bring it here. Okay, so for this move, all we have to do is R prime U prime, R prime U prime. It's right here. I'm putting it down here. R prime U prime. And how it works is we just have to put it up where it has to enter here. And if the white is facing up, do that 2 times. Okay, I did it 1 time and now I do it the second time. Do it 3. Okay, so it's 3 times. Okay, now it has entered down here. So now we have to find another corner. Now we have a green and orange piece right here, okay, with white in it. So we have to bring it right below where we had to fit it here. Okay, so now usually you can do that move 4 times to enter it here. No, 5 times, but that's an easier way. You can do the left version of it. It's L prime U L U prime. Okay, so it's L prime U L prime U L U prime. Okay, so how we do is we put this piece, the corner where we have to enter, right? The white is facing this side. So if we can do this 6 times and enter it, okay? But the thing is, if we do that way, it's not an efficient move because it takes so long. So we just have to face it like this way, okay, where this is facing on the left side, and do that move once only, and it has entered. Now we can move on to the next corner. Now we have a blue and red, okay, piece with white on top. We can do it like earlier. Just bring it on top and do this 3 times. Now we have another piece, but it's below here. So we have to bring this out, okay. So we can do that move to enter it, to bring it out, okay. Now after we bring it out, it's facing on the right side, so you can do that move to enter it in. Okay, so now we have to do the edge piece, okay, edge piece. So now we can start with the edge piece, okay. We have one edge piece here, okay. Make sure white is down, okay. We have made the white, and then now we have made the first layer. Now we can choose a piece in which you want to fit between, okay, first. So I'm choosing green and orange, which is already in the topmost part, okay. So you can see the color that is facing down, bring it to the place where it's facing, okay. And now you can see the green is on this side, okay. So we can so to enter, wait, okay guys, as you can see, we have to enter it between here, this piece, okay. So we have to enter this piece between here, okay. So what we have to do is we have to take the color in the middle, in below, and match it, okay. Now all we have to do is we have to bring this edge away from the piece on the top, like here green, okay. So now we have to bring it away. Now we can do the left version to enter this thing, okay. And now bring it here and enter this. Just for the sake of it, the L move and the right move, we can call it righty alg and lefty alg, okay. So you just do the lefty alg and the righty alg, okay. So you see, you need this piece. Where is it? Okay. So now it's like this piece, yeah, white is facing down, okay. So just bring it away from the color you need to enter. Do the righty alg and lefty alg. It's the other way, okay, for a piece like this, okay. Now we have green, red and blue, this thing, okay, edge. So now we can bring it to red where it's facing, okay. So we can bring it away to the right side where the blue is not there, okay, away from blue. Now we can do the lefty alg, and now we can do the righty alg, and voila, is entered, okay. So now we'll take another piece, red and green, okay. So before you guys do this, just see that there's blue and orange piece here. No need to bring that out, because when we automatically enter it here, this piece will come out, okay. So now just do the algorithm, bring it away, lefty alg and righty alg, and it has entered. Now the last color is blue and orange. It's here facing here, bring it out, and then do the lefty alg and do the righty alg. Now it's entered. Now we have to do the fourth step, okay. This is called making the yellow cross, okay. So now there's many cases that could be there for the yellow cross, okay. So this is one of the first case. This is a line. This is how you understand it. If this is a line, you have to face to us like this. Bring this one, bring like this, F prime, and now do a righty alg and bring it back up, and then you got the cross. Okay, now okay, so this is the next case, an L. Okay, so most of the people put it up and do another method which is very hard, but I have made a method on my own which is pretty efficient and very easy. So for this we have to face on below here any color, no problem, and last move also no problem, any color. So we just have to make this face down here. Okay, now we bring it here, and now we can bring these two moves, two pieces down. Okay, you see, you can bring it down here. Don't change the face, keep it like that. Do the righty alg and bring it back up. Now you also have a cross. Okay, now guys, next the last case is the dot. Okay, so for the dot you have to do two algs, which is the one you have already learned. So you just have to bring one piece down with you and do the righty alg, bring it, and then you get this problem, and then you just have to do the other one, do both of them down and continue. Okay guys, so now we have the next case, which is to make the whole put all the colors properly to where it's supposed to be. Okay, so you see this is correct. Okay, it has to be here between red and blue. Don't worry about the edges because that we'll deal with it later. Okay, so now all we have to see if this is correct. Okay, this has to be between both these colors. Okay, this piece and this piece is also between the colors. Okay, this is the first case of making the third layer. Okay, so it is like this piece, right? If this is also in correct place between orange and blue. Okay, so like if it was like this, it'll be correct. Okay, but we should not flip, it's wrong. Okay, but these two pieces, you see, this is supposed to be between orange and green, but it's between red and green, and this is supposed to be between green and red, but it's between orange and green. So you see, you have to swap both of these. That's a problem you encounter. Okay, so for this all you have to do is you have to swap both of these, right? So bring this in your right side. Okay, now I'll show it to you guys. Wait.